Hey you guys, it's Chelsea and welcome back to my channel. So you know what this box means. I don't really know how to justify this purchase other than I have a planner already, but it is the hourly planner and I was giving this a try, but there's just something that I am bugged about and I could not get over. And let me show you. So like when you do a layout, the stickers don't fit like from line to line. So you can see that there are lines here. And you guys, those bugging me real bad. Like I've had the vertical before and I loved it, but I just thought hourly might help because of all the lines. But it's actually turning out to do more harm than good. So I even, to try to save money, tried whiting out those lines. But you guys, I put too much money and effort into this planner to white out every single page like that. So I used some coupons and I just bought another one. So let me see if, oh, hello. So you get, of course, hi, your enjoy sticker or your postcard. Ooh, I don't know that I've ever seen the orange paper. This is always so exciting. Actually, I think I'm gonna save that. All right, so I don't know for how long, but with the purchase of a planner, you get, actually, let me try to turn off. No, I don't want to try to turn off the focus because then it might just mess everything up. Okay, so you get a notebook, a hardbound notebook, and you get to pick color if you want dot or line or grid. I don't know, but I picked the turquoise and I picked, okay, so I'm gonna try this. If it doesn't work, I'll just edit that part out. Okay, well, it seemed to work. Okay, so I picked the dot grid. And let's just kind of look at it. I honestly, I don't need, ooh, I was gonna say I don't need this, but it feels so good. It's like buttery. I might find a purpose. Ooh, and look at that. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. I love this. You hear that? I don't know, it might be too pretty to just give away. I might find, I don't know, this just screams like rearranging every room in my house and drawing the new floor plans. Oh, this is gorgeous. And it might be good for bullet journaling, but you guys, I just cannot get into bullet journaling. It seems like something that I would totally love, but I've tried and it just, I don't know, it doesn't tickle my fancy. So I don't do it. All right, here's the big moment. Ooh. My cover is a little wonky. Huh. Okay. So at first glance, hold on, let's take this off. Oh my goodness. I love that. At first glance, it's this cover, which you guys, I have like 10 other covers. It's a little underwhelming. I think they did this one to replace, let me find it. I think they did that one to replace this one. And honestly, I like this one better. I don't know, it just, okay, first of all, these colors seem kind of cloudy. I don't know. I don't love this cover, but oh well. Okay, so got another one of those. Okay, and I did go with the neutral layout because I do love the neutral. Not that I don't love color, but I don't know, it's just nice to see all the black tabs, and then you open it up to see all of your weekly layouts. All right, so let's dive in. Oh my God. Already, it's so good. So let's compare. Here is a week in the vertical layout. Here is a week in the horizontal. So I feel like, oh, well, this goes from almost the top way down to the bottom. This one has some lines at the bottom, which will be nice because I think bottom washi should fit perfectly. Whereas on here, like this is the bottom. Bottom washi not always fit. Bottom washi did not always fit that great. And then the top dates are completely different. I'll probably have to white those out when I put date covers. But look, they don't have a line in the middle. Like full boxes will fit perfectly. I'm kind of excited. And I did get this one in the, and I'm pretty sure everything else is like the exact same. Actually, let's check. Here is the month of August. Oh, let me find one that's blank. Oh my God. That's gonna be another issue. I have filled out so much in this. So let's find May. All right, yeah, they're the exact same. Okay, so what am I gonna do now that I have two? Ooh, that does not, okay. What am I gonna do now that I have two? Well, I did not spend the extra money on a fancy coil because I am taking this coil, putting it with this planner. Because this is also a reason why it took me so long to decide to just bite the bullet. I did not want to give up the layouts I've already had. Like I want these with me. I know it's weird, but I don't know, like I want this year from July to July to all be together. So I actually looked up a few videos on how to uncoil the planners, and it didn't seem that hard. So I am going to try that. I might video it since I've never tried it, so you can kind of see what it's like. But I'm going to take these out, the ones that I've already put my layouts in, and I'm going to put them in here and then take those weeks out. So I'm not gonna have like two of the same week. My only issue is I'm impatient and I have already gone to like September, maybe even into October, and just kind of tried out the layouts with bottom washi and everything. But I don't want to continue using the hourly layout. So I've tried to peel some stickers up. Haven't had good luck with that. I may just say bye to these weekly kits or buy them again. I don't know. Because it's not the whole kit I need. It's just like bottom washi and date covers. So that is something I have not figured out yet. But I do think it's going to be worth it. I will probably put the remainder of this on Poshmark or something, because there's, you know, it's not a complete waste. Like there's still some good weeks in there. So yeah, this is my new planner. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh yeah, the perpetual planner. I'm gonna go ahead and start filling it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you later.